Hello and welcome to Examplify, a simple web app built to help students prepare for exams more effectively. This is what the web app looks like. If you scroll down a bit, you will see the model section. It has basically three models. Let's explain each model one by one. First, let's take a look at the question paper analyzer. It allows you to upload past question paper as images or PDFs. Remember, the more question paper you submit, the better the output is going to be. The tool then analyzes these question paper to identify frequently repeated topics, rate their importance, and list relevant subtopics and questions. This helps you zero in what's the most important for your exams. Now, let's explore the Create Quiz feature. This model allows you to generate customized quizzes based on your syllabus or past question papers. Start by uploading your syllabus or question paper as PDF or images. You can choose the number of questions from the given options. After selecting the desired number of questions, the app generates a set of multiple choice questions tailored to your input. These quizzes are directly relevant to your study material, ensuring that you are practicing what matters the most. Once the quiz is generated, you can attempt it online right away. The interface is straightforward, allowing you to answer each question and receive instant feedback. Let's take a look at our last model, that is Syllabus Analyzer. This model is designed to help you break down your syllabus into manageable parts and focus on what's most important. Start by uploading your syllabus as a PDF or image file. Once the syllabus is uploaded, the model analyzes the content and generates a detailed report. The report highlights the key topics in your syllabus and rates each topic.